Good evening, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and in this video, we are working on the exercise 8E. This is our third episode on this exercise. The topic of the exercise is practical application of connected rates of change. The topic of the chapter is further differentiation. We are solving the course book of the Pure Maths 1. In this episode, we are starting from the question number 7, and let me show you the question number 7. So here on your screen the question number 7 is showing up. A closed circular cylinder has a radius r centimeter and a surface area a centimeter square, where a is equals to pi r square plus 400 pi by r. Given that the radius of the cylinder is increasing at a rate of 0.25%, 0.25 centimeter per second, find the rate of the change of the a when the r is equals to 10. So this is the question they are asking me to solve. Okay, so the question statement is showing up on your screen. So let's do this. The area is already given to us, and the rate of the change of the radius with respect to the time is also given. We want to find out the rate of change of area. So it is very simple. You simply have to differentiate this dA. Okay, so d. So first of all, let me write the area is equals to 2 pi r square plus 400 pi and r raised to power minus 1. So I brought this r upstairs. So now this is in the friendly form. Now I can differentiate it with respect to the r. Okay, so dA by dr. So from here I will find out dA by the dr, and that will be equals to 2 pi into 2 into the r plus 400 pi into minus 1 into the r raised to power minus 2. The power will be decreased by 1. Okay, so now this will become dA by dr equals to, this is 4 pi r, and minus this becomes 400 pi divided by the r square. Okay, now you know the radius value when the radius is equals to 10. So I will put r equals to 10. So you will have dA by the dr equals to 4 pi, the r value is 10, minus 400 pi, the r value is 10, so it's square. Okay, so this will become 40 pi, and dA by the dr is equal to 40 pi minus, this becomes 100 and 400 will be cancelled. You are left with the 4 pi. So 40 minus 40 pi minus 4 pi, that's 36 pi. So when the r is equals to 10, the dA by the dr, its value will be 36 pi. Now I will apply my chain rule because I want to find out the value of the dA by the dt. The chain rule says dA by the dt will be equals to the dA by, okay, dA by the dr into the dr by the dt. So this is the chain rule, and I will apply this. Okay, dA by dt, I want to find out its value, dA by dr r into dr by dt. Okay, dA by dr, its value is 36 and pi. The value of the dr by dt, it is given, but that is dr by dt. So this is cancelled. That is 0.0.25. Okay, so I will multiply my 36, which is 36 multiply with the 0.25. So it will be 9. Okay, So it's 9 pi. So it will be 9 pi centimeter square per second. So dA by the dt will be equals to 9 pi. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to work on the question number 8, and let me show you the question. The question number 8 is showing up on your screen. The diagram shows a water container in the shape of a triangular prism of the length 120 centimeter. The vertical cross section is an equilateral triangle. Water is poured into the container at a rate of 24 centimeter cube per second. Show that the volume of the water in the container V centimeter cube is given by V equals to 40 under root 3 h square, where h centimeter is the height of the water in the container. Find the rate of change of the h when the h is equals to 12. So this is the question which is showing up. Okay, so I will draw for you. Let me draw the triangle. Question number 8. Okay, so the triangle, the cross-sectional area of the water is something like this. Okay, so let me make it better. Okay, so this is H. This angle is total because this is equilateral. This vertex is of the equilateral triangle. So this total angle is 60. So this is 30. This is also 30. This total angle is 60. Let me call this side as A. This side is also A. So let me apply the tan first of all on it. So the tan of the 30-degree will be equal to the perpendicular by the base. So it will be H multiply the tan of the 30, that is equals to A. Let me show you the table. So the tan of the 30 is equals to 1 by under root 3. 1 by under root 3. Okay. So this is equals to the H. It is 1 by under root 3. So this is the value of the A. So the A will be equal to H by the under root 3. Okay. So what I will do, I will rationalize it, and when you rationalize it, you see the A value will become H by the under root 3 and multiply under root 3 divided by the under root 3. So the A will be equals to under root 3 H divided by the 3. So you see, if you have studied surds, so you know when there is a surd in the in the denominator, we rationalize it. So I have rationalized it, and now you know this is the cross section of the water. So this side is 2A. So the 2A will be equals to the 2 under root 3 into H divided by 3. Now I can find the area of this cross section. The area of this cross section, let me call it the area of base. We call it the area of the base, that is equals to 1 by, it's a triangle, so it's 1 by 2 into the base of the triangle to height of the triangle. So it will be 1 by 2 in the base of the triangle is 2A, which is 2 under root 3 into the H divided by 3 into the H. So it will be equals to 2 cancelled. So you will have under root 3 H square divided by the 3. Okay. Now, you know the water is in the shape of the prism, and the length of that prism is 120 centimeter. So the volume of the water, we can find the volume of the water is equals to the area of the cross section. Volume of the water will be equals to the area of base or area of the cross section. and multiply with the length of the prism. The length of the prism. Okay. So the area of the cross section is this, under root 3 h square divided by 3, and the length is 120 centimeter. 3 and this is cancelled, so you will have 40 under root 3 a square. This is the question number 8, and it's a part, and this is how you will do this. We were supposed to show that the volume of that water is 40 under root 3 h square. This is how you will do this. I hope you understand this. Okay, now in the B part, he asked us to the rate of the change of the volume is given. It is given that the dv by the dt, the dv by the dt is given. That is how much? That is 24 centimeter cube per second. Then their question is, when the h is 8, when the h is 12, sorry I said 8, find the dh by the rate of the change of the h dt. Okay, this is their question. Okay, so very simple. I know the formula for the volume. I can differentiate it. Okay, so this is the formula for the volume. I know that the V is given by the formula 40 under root 3 and h square. So I can find the dV by the dH, and that will be equals to 40 under root 3, and the 2 will come on the side. The h power will be decreased by 1. So dV by the dH will be equals to, this will become 80 under root 3 and h. So at h is equals to, he said when the h is equals to 12, so the value of the dV by the dH will become 80 under root 3, and the value of the h is 12. So 12 and 80 will be multiplied, dV by the dH. So it will be 12 into 80, 12 into 80. Okay. So 12 multiply 80, that will be 396, and multiply under root 3. Okay, 396, sorry, 960. I'm saying something different. 960 and under root 3. So this is my dV by a dH. Then I will apply my chain rule, and according to the chain rule, let me write here. According to the chain rule, if you want to find out the dH by the dt, that will be equals to the d. Where is that? Okay, so that will be equals to the dV by the dt into the dH by the dV. Okay, so dV by the dt, that is given, that's 24, and the dH by dV is here, but this is dV by dH, so just reciprocate it. This will be equal to 960 and under root 3. Okay, so this will become let me 24, and so 960 divided by the 24, and that will be equals to 40. So you will have 1 by 40, and then under root 3, because this under root 3, what I can do, I'm going to rationalize this. Okay, so 960 divided by the 24, that is 40. Okay, so I will rationalize this. Okay, because there is a third in the denominator, so it will be 1 by 40 under root 3 multiply under root 3 divided by the under root 3. So it will be under root 3 divided by the 40 into 3. Under root 3, that will become 3. So this will become under root 3 into the 120 centimeter per second. So this is my answer, sir. And this answer is right, sir. Under root 3 divided by 120 centimeter per second. So, my dear students, this is how you will do the question number 8, A and B, A part, and the question number 8 and its B part. And this is exercise 80.